Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm giving you a room tour. This is my daughter's room and I call it pink room. As from the video you can see that everything in this room is of pink color, from furniture to the furnishing. Her toys, her collection of stationery, everything in pink shade. So let's start the video. Here you can see a white trolley which she bought from our local shop. We have seen this type of trolley in the Ikea also, but that time she did not buy it. Then she bought it from local shop. So on the top part she keeps her school bag when she comes back from school. My daughter is in 7th grade. So now here she keeps her books, extra books, notebooks. Then there are some stationery items like highlighters. Then again this is a highlighter. Then this organizer is she bought from Ikea only, and which she has attached here, and this is a stabilo highlighter. Then there are some keychains. Actually she is very fond of keychains, highlighters, stationeries, all type of stationery items, she's very fond of. Then this is again a box in which she has kept some stationeries like pens, stickers. Then this comes her study table. This is also very decorated. She has decorated this room on her own with little bit of my help. This is a bottle art which I have done. Then this is again I have my DIY. This bottle art I have done with her Kinder Joy toys. When she was small, she used to eat lot of Kinder Joys. So that time I have collected these Kinder Joy toys and that I have used in this bottle. Then this is again with the old pencil box I made this DIY, which you can see in my channel page. And these are some candles. This basket also I made with paper cup, rope and lace. This you can see on my channel page. Then this organizer also I made. These are my DIYs. This canvas she made it. Then again some organizers where she has collected a lot of highlighters, pens, different type of pens. I even don't know the name of these pens. Then in the drawers, some markers. These are markers. Actually, she uses her pocket money on these stationery collections. Then some washi tapes, then some notepads. Here you can see everything in pink color. So if you are planning to decorate your daughter's room, then I hope this video would be very helpful to you. Some extra stuff which she has kept it here. Then this is a collection of washi tapes. She has a huge collection of washi tapes also. I told you she is very fond of stationery items. In this card she has kept her pencil box, diary, some notepads. Actually she uses all her pocket money in buying these stuffs, means her collection of this pink stuff. In one way it is good, but she has collected enough of these stuffs. this is her study table. Now comes her Ikea packboard, which I have gifted her when she passed the 6th grade exam. There are keychains, pans, some small diaries, notepads, one canvas she made that is also pink. This such small lamp. Everything in this room you will find it in the pink color. Actually, from this room tour I came to know that she has enough collection of stationeries and now she doesn't need anything more. These are again some pink keychains, means when she see anything in the pink she just try to buy it. All the pens also even you will find it in pink color. Even I was not knowing that how much collection she has. Now, this is her bedside table. Here also the 2 pink cards, organizers. And this canvas she made. Then this is my DIY. If I make anything in pink shade or white shade, then she take it. So this canvas she made it. This is again my DIY, one basket I made using jute rope and her hairband. Her doll houses and wardrobe. This is a vertical rack in which she has kept some mother stuff like bottle art, mugs and some random stuffs. Then this organizer I made. She has kept some soft toys. Then this is again a soft toys rack. Then this is a dream catcher, again pink color. So her room ends here. This is the last corner of her room. So hope you like this video and I am waiting for your feedback. If you are planning to decorate your daughter's room, then this video would be very helpful for you. I hope you like the video. Please comment on the comment box, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Waiting for your feedback. Stay connected with Zaar Creations for more interesting videos in future.